Everybody, so it's 2 o'clock in the morning. I was actually in bed early, and then one of my drunk friends, I guess, had a birthday party, which of course I didn't know anything about until now when she calls me, wanted me to drive her dad 45 minutes across town because they're too drunk to do it. And I have a work phone for lockouts and stuff, not for taxi service. Just, she can afford to pay me, she can afford to pay a taxi. But now I'm up, so, and I've seen on Reddit recently people talking about getting these Defiant locks and picking them when they're first starting out. And I rake them open a lot for work, but they were talking about, somebody posted that one of them had 3 spool pins in it. And not that I've taken the top pins out of a bunch of these. I really only think of one that I ever did take apart, and it had 1 spool pin in it. And they usually rake open pretty easily, so I don't know, see if we can get this open. Which, I have a key for it, but see if we can pick it and then see what kind of pins are up top. These are such cheap locks. I mean, Home Depot, like, $10 or $12 or something, and for Deadbolts at Home Depot. I run across them a lot. I do rekeying and lockouts and things for a couple of realtors, and they put these cheap locks on there. Yeah, I mean, this came open. I didn't feel any spools or anything in it, and I will gut it just for the hell of it here, since the name of the channel suggests bored now that I'm up. So looking for a clip. Oh, there it is. And I didn't feel any security pins in it, so if there is spools, there's definitely not going to be more than one. And I got the key here. It's actually got the code stamped on it. It's 12651, it said, so 1 to a 6 isn't terrible. Open here. My good followers are outside of my car, so I've got these. It's just like a 1/2-inch aluminum pipe here. All of these have to be hollow because the tail pieces don't come off, so you have to use a hollow one on these Defiants. So use the 1/2-inch hollow pipe or 1/2-inch dowel rod, drill a hole in them. Because I only have 2 sets of real followers, and those aren't in the house. So let's see so the bottom pins we know are all just going to be standard pins here. So 2, 3. No. Alright, so I did that backwards. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then carry spout is what's up top here. So number 1, so just dump it out. Okay, that's standard pin. So I need to try to get this one controlled here so they don't fly everywhere. Okay, and 2's standard pin as well. I think they're all going to be standard here, so I didn't feel any spools. And I'm wrong, there's a spool. So pin 3 is a spool. 4 standard. And 5 is standard as well. So this has 1 spool in it, which is why I guess they rake easy, and I didn't even feel the spool in there. It picked open pretty friggin' easy. So anyway, that's inside this one. Like I said, somebody put on Reddit that one of the Defiants they had 3 spools, but they didn't post any pictures though. But yeah, I guess it could. Maybe they've changed this. This is this just looks like an old one. I don't know how long I've even had this. I just found it in a box of locks that I've got laying around. But anyway, I guess that'll do it for this video. We'll talk to everybody another time.